Entschuldigung, I didn't put the video on of this. Here we can see some things. Okay, let's put it on. Here we can see normal things. I'm going to try to put this again like this to make the curves focus. What's that? Oh, let's see this. This looks no, it doesn't look interesting anymore. Same. Okay, so here we are. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. We got the proof. Here we can see, yeah, some things are falling down now. Some things are falling down. Okay. So what here we can see, it's that here we have glances. Oof, I need light, please. Okay, like that's. There are some air bubble. Oh, this is a big air bubble. There is not an air bubble. Yeah, that's a microscope. It works. Watch. It's trying to move him, but if we put it more distant, it can be seen. Oh, at the same and at the right amount of light, amount of everything, we can do it. Okay. More like that. Like that. What's up there? What's that? Here, we're looking for interesting things. So I always think we are looking for nature. I haven't. Here we can see some air bubbles. Okay. Okay, so it didn't work. That's not so good. Okay, let's try another time. I'm not going to put too much or too little water. I'm going to put only a lot of. Oof, no, I got past the best of. Gosh. Okay. Ooh. This button. This is bad. Air bubbles are not very good in this. I know this is my first time and I need to practice because if I don't focus like that exactly. Okay, so all right. Now I need to put it on like this. See that? Did you see that? I really didn't know how to make a good poem. Now I'm trying to do this. I think I will do it. Because how you see and how you know cells need water to survive. So I'm doing this. Okay, so for instance, let's put this out. Let's check this again. And before we put it out, I want to put water more centered. Like that. I think there are the cells. I'm part of my saliva. So I put like this and yeah. It makes me feel comfortable. Okay, so let's put this. Okay, I need to mark this with something because I don't want to get lost. Okay, I have it. Oh, okay, I have them. I only need to check my light. Oh, there, you can see it. If I put too much light, I can see very good. If I put enough light, I can see very well. And here's some part over here. But I'm going to get the master is here. Oof, I can't even see this. Hello? Okay, let's put it more. And so let's. Well, I'm wrong. I have it. Two. Is yeah. Are that things over there? Oh, I don't see. Do you see? I have them centered. Okay, how you see if I put too much light? Now I can see nothing. I can see anything. But if I put too, I think this must be easier. Okay, if it's white, you have all the time of the world. Okay, I know my purpose. I have it about the. Yeah, okay, so I only need to put these things right here. What's this? Oh, where is? I don't find. Okay, so I need to find where shit is my. It is over here. Guys, can you see this? No, I think they can see this. Oh, can you see this? Yeah, I find it. No, I don't find it. Where it is? Oh, see, it's too bad. This. It's got the. What's this? With only water you can. I loosen this. They are over. I want to put them. Wait, some part over here. There. Too much light. I can control the amount of light. These lights center. I have it over here. 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 I got it over here. Here is. I find it. I found the point. I know where is it. There, but watch. That's incredible. What? No, please no. Yeah, some things. I think I must do this simply. They are. Use them. There is too much light. They are. And they are. They are here. Over here. I find them. Okay. Gut. Oh my god, das ist Wagen. Das ist only shows often. So fuck. Feuer. Sungen. So sungen. 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 They are cells. They are this tiny group of here. This the microscope, but now first experiment with this. Let's put out this tape. If it's sorry, I will need to change of card because one is damaged. Oh. Okay, so let's look at this tiny point of water, like this, and the microscope. I need to find the point of water. I think I found it. I don't know where is it. Where are you? Yeah, over there. Well, I need to put a bit more of light. Like this. Oh, net satellite. Here's what my microscope can see. I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah, I know this is the point of light, the point of water, and I look for it because I haven't eyes. So okay. Looking for the water. I have not even the water.